All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install VirtualBox virtualization software. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the internet and we'll just do a Google search for VirtualBox. From there, it should be our #1 hit. We'll click on downloads. And since I'm going to be installing this on a Windows system, I'm going to select Windows hosts. And then it automatically downloads here. And now I want to show where it is in the folder. So this went into my downloads folder. And I'll just double click on it to start the installation. Now the installation itself is actually fairly easy. We have a installation wizard. All right, so a welcome screen, we'll click on next. This particular screen is identifying what is it going to set up. So there's really nothing to change here. We want to have everything that is here as it is. Now before I click on next, I want to show you what the system does on your main operating system. I'm going to right click on the PC and go to manage. From there I'm going to go to device manager and I'm going to find network adapters. All right, so as you can see, currently we have the default computer network adapters. Once we're done with the virtualization, we're also going to have a virtual network adapter as well. So utilize all the defaults here. We'll just click on next. Now this is your options in terms of how you want the application and have access to the application. I'm going to leave all the defaults here because I want to have everything, at the launch bar, desktop, all the entries here. So I'll leave everything as it is. Click on next. And here again is where you're going to have a network connection. So we're going to have additional networks installed, virtual network cards. We'll click on yes. Installation will begin. Let's go ahead and install that. All right, would you like to install the software? Sure, let's go ahead. And you can see that on the desktop, we already have an icon that got displayed. And we want to start the Oracle. Sure, why not? And we'll click on finish. And that was it for the installation. So the installation itself is actually fairly easy. I want to jump back into control panel and notice that we have a new adapter here for the network. So it's a VirtualBox Ethernet adapter. So that was easy to do. Next, I'll show you basically how to install an operating system in the virtual environment.